Friends, welcome back to the new video. Friends, today guys we are going to talk about guys how to change screen color mode in our Realme phone. Friends, you want to change your screen color mode. So guys, how can you change guys your phone screen color mode in your Realme phone? In this video guys, I will show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you're new in my channel, so you can first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video. Okay, now let's see. Open your phone settings friends and scroll it. Friends, you can see display and brightness setting. Friends, tap here and then scroll it. Guys, you can see screen color mode setting. So as tap here guys, you want to change into natural color and vivid color, you can change from here. So we will tap here to switch, and guys you can see your default and cooler color and warm color guys, you can change from here in your Realme phone. So as your screen color mode will change guys, you can see the screen color is different. So like that guys, you can change your screen color mode in your Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends. Before going guys, please go and like the video. And guys, now we will meet on next video with new topic with full charger guys. Now I don't have charger on my phone, so I am going to charge my phone. Bye friends, take care.